Which standardized mark certifies industrial products such as electrical appliances? The ISI mark is the most recognized certification mark for industrial products in India, ensuring they meet safety and quality standards set by the Bureau of Indian Standards. It is mandatory for products like electrical appliances, LPG cylinders, and cement to ensure consumer safety. ADMARC is used specifically for agricultural products like honey and ghee to certify quality. BIS is the national standards body that issues the ISI mark, rather than being the mark itself for specific industrial products. FPO is a mandatory certification mark for all processed fruit products sold in India. What should be done after administering first aid to a person who suffered electric shock? Immediate medical evaluation is crucial after an electric shock because internal injuries or heart rhythm disturbances may not be visible externally. Professional medical staff can assess for deep tissue damage and ensure the victim's vital signs are stable. B. Reconnecting the power before fixing the fault poses a continuous danger of further accidents. C. Giving food or drink to a recently shocked person can lead to choking or complicate potential emergency surgery. D. Leaving them to rest without medical supervision is dangerous as their condition could deteriorate rapidly due to internal complications. What is earthing primarily used for in electrical systems? Earthing involves connecting the metallic parts of electrical appliances to the earth to prevent electric shocks. It ensures that any leakage current flows safely into the ground rather than through a person. What concept describes the amount of work done per unit charge in an electric field? Electric potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric field. It is measured in volts, V, where 1 volt equals 1 joule per coulomb. Electric power is the rate at which electrical energy is transferred or consumed per unit of time. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charge through a conductor over time. Electric resistance is the opposition offered by a substance to the flow of electric current. What property is specifically attributed to the human body in the context of electricity? The human body is a good conductor of electricity because it contains a high percentage of water and dissolved ions. This property is why humans are susceptible to electric shocks when touching live wires. A poor conductor would resist the flow of electricity, which is not true for the human body. C. A respective symbol refers to a notation in circuit diagrams and is not a physical property of the body. D. An insulator prevents the flow of electricity, whereas the human body allows current to pass through it easily. What describes the flow of electric charges in a unit time? Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of electric charges through a cross-section of a conductor per unit time. It is measured in amperes and represents how much charge passes a point in a circuit every second. Electronic oscillation refers to the repetitive variation of voltage or current in an electronic circuit over time. Plane angle is a geometric measurement of the opening between two intersecting lines, measured in radians. Luminous intensity is a measure of the wavelength-weighted power emitted by a light source in a specific direction. What is the purpose of a cell or battery in producing an electric current? A cell or battery provides the electromotive force, EMF, required to maintain a potential difference across the circuit. This potential difference drives the flow of electrons, creating a steady electric current. Resistance is a property of the conductor or components like resistors, which the battery must overcome rather than increase. A battery stores chemical energy to convert into electrical energy, rather than simply acting as a storage tank for excess electrons. While current flow creates a magnetic field, electromagnetism, the primary purpose of the battery itself is to provide electrical energy. What branch of chemistry studies the relationship between electrical energy and chemical change? Electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the interconversion of chemical energy and electrical energy through redox reactions. It encompasses processes like electrolysis and the functioning of galvanic cells or batteries. Radiochemistry focuses on the study of radioactive substances and nuclear processes. Forensic chemistry applies chemical principles and techniques to legal investigations and evidence analysis. Food chemistry studies the chemical processes and interactions of all biological and non-biological components of foods. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.